Hey everyone, welcome to TSF5 software. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to present data in table format using ChatGPT 3.5. So let us start. So I will come here to this website. You need to sign up, and once you are signed in, you just have to type the prompt here. So I will show you how to write it. Create top 10 competitor HCM software products and its key features in a table format. So I can copy. I will try to paste this complete table and let us see. Now we will remove the BR if a BR is coming. So we can remove that also. Now we have got the best result. This we will remove it and I will try to copy this. Copy Control C and paste. So as you can see, I have successfully created the table, and this is how you create a table using data. And thank you very much. Have a great day.